In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create this easy text effect animation using Canva. The first thing that we will do is to add our photo to the project. I have a cool Dubai photo here, which I will use for my video. Another thing that we will do is to duplicate this photo. Select this Edit Photo option at the top, and then find a tool that's called Remove Background. We will have to remove the background from our second photo, and that's what this tool is going to do for us. As you can see, the background from my second photo is removed, and all I'm left with are these buildings. We now have to add the text to our project. I'm going to write Dubai because I want that text to animate over the city line. I will add the text right here, and I have to change the color of it to white. The next step is to duplicate the text layer because we will need it. Make sure that the second text layer is selected, then tap on the Effects section and select this hollow effect, which is at our left side. Set the thickness at around 20%, and after you do that, you want to set the color of the text to black. And this is how your two text layers should look like in the project. Let's start with the animation. Select the Position option, then go over to the Layer section. We will now drag the city layer between the two text layers. As you can see, I have the buildings set between the two Dubai text layers, and our video is going to look like this after this step. We will then duplicate our page. Now select the first page and select the two text layers. And drag them all the way up until you can't see them no more. Now you want to duplicate the first page one more time, and after you do this, drag the page with the text between the two empty pages, or the pages that have no text on them. It should look something like this. As you can see, I have the Dubai page between the first and the third pages, which are empty. And the last thing that we have to do is to add a transition between these three pages. You want to select this Match and Move transition and set it to last around 1 second on both sides. And that's it. When I play my video in Canva, it's gonna look like this. It's pretty cool, and it was pretty easy to make this. Make sure to check out my Canva playlist from the description of this video if you want more similar Canva tutorials, and I will see you in the next video.